Hello, I hope you're enjoying these 60-second inspirations that I give you daily. Today is Monday and we are in zone 4. So your inspiration is to make your bedroom a place of retreat, a place that's like an oasis. It's not a place for children to come in and play and take advantage of. It is your private space. So today I want you to think about working in your room and turning it into that oasis, that place where you can go and retreat. Because especially if you're an at-home homemaker, and even if you're a payroll homemaker, when you are home, the children are always there if you have children, and you need to be able to get away. Not that you don't love your children, you just need a moment to recoup yourself. So work on your bedroom this week, 4 15-minute units, and remember that this is your private oasis. And also remember to have a really great week.